Hi guys, welcome back to Ferfer Toys. Today we're going to open Minnie's Marvelous Microwave Set. It comes with a marshmallow in the shape of Minnie, graham crackers, it looks like it has some chocolate in there. Minnie talks to you while you cook. It also looks like the plate spins, so that's going to be great to play with. And there's some buttons here.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
Okay, Minnie, let's open it up. Okay, so it looks like we have some popcorn. That'll be yummy. Also looks like we have 2 graham crackers. We have a piece of chocolate. That's nice. And a Minnie Mouse marshmallow. Then we also have what looks like a bowl of soup. Just look at that bow on top. It's so cute. And if we open up the microwave, looks like we have a pretzel.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
Okay, Minnie, let's make s'mores. Okay, so we need to put a graham cracker with our chocolate on top. Then we need to put our marshmallow on top and our last graham cracker. Let's put that in the microwave. Oh no! Whoops!
Isn't this fun?
Oh my goodness, look at that. We made a huge mess in the microwave. Oh no. Oh my goodness, our s'more blew apart. Oh no. Minnie, we tried to make a s'more in the microwave. It just didn't work out. Oh goodness.
Isn't this fun?
Why, yes it is, Minnie. Okay, Minnie, let's put the bag of popcorn in the microwave.
I love making healthy snacks.
Whoops, me too. Okay, let's put that right in there. And we'll pick you back up. Alright, let's start the microwave.
What a wonderful smell.
Popcorn does smell good. Let's check it out. That popcorn does smell good.
I love making healthy snacks.
I do too.
That pretzel looks good. Let's make it next.
Okay, Minnie, let's make this pretzel in the microwave.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
Okay.
Time to enjoy our treats.
That smells really good. Okay, Minnie, we have one last thing to put in our microwave, and that is our cup of soup. Let's go ahead and put this in.
I sure am hungry.
Me too. Let's cook this soup and then eat it.
Cooking together is so much fun.
I love to cook with you too, Minnie.
Oh, the snacks are ready.
Okay, so let's open this up and see if we can smell our soup. Oh, that smells so good. I had a lot of fun cooking with you today, Minnie.
I love making healthy snacks.
Alright everyone, that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Click the thumbs up button below or the like button. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and have a fantastic day everyone. Bye-bye!
See you later.
Hi guys, look what I have for you today. We've got Minnie Mouse party cups with gumballs. Let's look and see what's inside. Okay, let's pour this one out and see what's inside, okay? Oh my goodness. We've got a ton of gumballs all over, and we've got a mini blind bag. Oh look, we have Minnie.
Hi guys. How are you? Thanks for getting me out of that bag.
Oh, you're welcome, Minnie.
Can you get my friends out of their bags too?
Okay, we'll try to. Okay, let's see what's in this next cup. We have another bag. Oh, it's Daisy. Oh, it's Beach Daisy. It looks like she's ready for the beach. She's got her sandals on and her bathing suit. She's got a pretty purple bow. She's ready to go to the beach. Hi, Daisy. Let's put you with Minnie so you guys can be together. Okay, let's see if we can find out what's in this next one. Another blind bag. Okay, let's see what's in this blind bag. Oh, it's Chef Minnie. She has her outfit on and she's ready to cook.
Oh my goodness, Minnie, I just love your outfit. Well, thank you.
Okay, let's see what's in this cup. Let's open this one up. Oh, it's Minnie again, but this time she's ready for the beach too. She also has a bathing suit on.
Your outfit is so pretty. Thanks.
Oh look, I found another cup. I wonder what's inside of it. Another bag. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This one has Figaro and his little bed. Figaro, you look so cute today. I love your little bed. That's so sweet.
Oh, Figaro, I'm so glad she found you.
Look at all these figurines we got from our blind bag. We're going to have so much fun playing with them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.
Thank you for rescuing us from our bags. Oh yes, thank you very much. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Bye! Oh my goodness, Daisy, what are we going to do with all these gumballs? I don't know, but we really need to figure that out. Maybe we need to clean them up. I think we should eat them. That sounds like a good idea. Let's eat them. Oh, these gumballs are good. Oh, I like them. They're really tasty. Oh, I think I ate too much. My tummy hurts. I think I'm going to be sick.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos and don't want to miss out on all the fun, please subscribe.